Hello everyone, in this video I will make a tutorial how to create setting button icons with Inkscape. So first we create a rectangle with rectangle tool and select path, object to path, and select node tool, hold shift and select this node and hold Ctrl and move node like this. After that we select edit and duplicate or Ctrl D, hold Ctrl, and we have two objects like this, and select object flip vertical, select both objects and duplicate, and duplicate again and duplicate again. Select all objects and select path union. Create a circle with ellipse or arc tool. Select both objects and select objects and select again align and distribute. Choose relative to less selected and select center on vertical axis and center on horizontal axis. Resize with hold shift and Ctrl. Duplicate the circle and we give a color with white color. And select both circle objects and choose path and difference. Select all object and path union. So just like this we create setting button icons with Inkscape. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it can be useful for you, and see you in the next video.